How can a saturated niche generate this single listing $46,000 a month? In this video, I'm going to show you how I think this is happening and how you can apply these concepts to your store. What's up, everybody? Dave here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe. I do new videos all the time. In this video, I want to show you a simple product that has made $46,000 estimated by Everbee here, and it's in a very saturated niche that you would think couldn't really make those numbers happen nowadays. But the catch is that it is slightly different to the point where it is just unique enough to pierce that saturation. So if you want help in your Etsy store hands-on, definitely book a free consultation call in the link below. We'll talk about how I can work with you and help grow your sales. If you want the free Etsy ads cheat sheet, the link is also in the description. Let's jump into it. So the listing is right here. It is a bridesmaids pajamas set of 5, 6, 7 bridesmaids matching PJs satin pajama set. Bridal shower gifts. Okay, that's what the title reads. Now, the saturated niche that I was referring to is bridesmaid gifts, right? Or bridesmaids shirts. That's the most saturated group listing on Etsy, I would say, hands down. When you think about print on demand and you think about Mama Bear t-shirts, what comes right after Mama Bear t-shirts? It's bridesmaid t-shirts. Let's be real here. And if you're a POD seller watching this video and you have both a Mama Bear t-shirt in your store as well as a bridesmaid shirt, then this might help you a lot. And even if you don't sell those things, I want you to understand the psychology of this listing, why it's doing so well. So we're taking a proven selling concept, which is bridesmaids group listings. So how would we apply this? Number one, we're not going to be selling t-shirts to the bridesmaids and the whole group. We're not going to do the t-shirt thing anymore. Very saturated. If you want to go fight that saturation, that's fine. But if you want to make a new listing, a new type of product, and sidestep that competition, but still offer something to that mass volume and get those group orders, then this listing takes the cake. It's instead of t-shirts, it's satin pajamas. So what can you offer to a bridesmaids group? Anything, really. You could do it with small things. You could do it with big things. You could do it with if you're a makeup brand, right? There's some handmade makeup brands on Etsy. You could do lip gloss packs with their names on it. You could do small things like that, tiny little mirrors. If you're a woodworker, you could make the wooden little case for a flip-up mirror, engrave their name on it. So many group listings could be sold to the bridesmaid group that does not have to be clothing. This one did well because it's clothing. It's a whole PJ set. And, but you can even do a step up from that. So what can you sell to a bridesmaids group that the bridesmaid or just a woman in general would use? There are endless possibilities there. And you can still use all the keywords that these listings get success from. So bridal shower gifts, bridesmaid gifts, and bridesmaids matching gifts. Those phrases right there generate hundreds of thousands of dollars a month for all types of stores, all types of listings. So just ask yourself, what could you create? Now, don't go chasing shiny objects and just drop everything to try to make something for this market. If it fits, it fits. But understand that even if you can't create something for this specific market, that a lot of the times, those very saturated markets that you are going up against, whatever you're selling, you're likely going up against a saturated market and a lot of competition. There are a lot of side steps that you can create and alter with your own products that makes it so you're not selling out, you're not changing everything, you're not jumping ship, but you are still sidestepping your own competition, and you are coming to the market with a brand new, very unique piece of product. So definitely think about what you can do. If you would like to make your own store outside of Etsy, I highly recommend you check out Everbee's store. It allows you to build your own store. If you have social media and you're sending all your traffic to Etsy, but it's time to graduate, definitely check out Everbee Store. You can build your own store just like a Shopify store. You can have AI build it for you. You can import your Etsy listings. And the good thing about Everbee is that you have Everbee email integrated into it, which is a big thing. All your pop-ups, you don't have to deal with integrating all these different tools together. You have Everbee Store and Everbee email working together. And this is what the dashboard looks like. The email is right here. You click right here, and then you go to the designer and you go to builder. And as you can see, it's very similar to Shopify and very intuitive. You hover over each section and you're able to alter each section and change a lot of different things. It's very easy. It's very intuitive. It feels just like Shopify, if you ask me. And you also get Everbee email, because I don't know if you guys knew this, but Everbee does have their own email system. So if you're looking to build a landing page even, you could do it with Everbee Store. So back to this listing, the bridesmaid pajama set. Just always ask yourself what you could be doing just very slightly different to change the game for your store. This shop here has been around for 1 year on Etsy with 24,000 sales and 61 listings. And guess what? It's pretty much all of what we just seen. It's all the bridesmaids pajama sets. Now, there are a lot of bridesmaids pajama set stores already, but there are even more bridesmaids matching t-shirt. And frankly, I think buyers are getting fatigue from all of the saturation of print-on-demand stores and people copying each other, honestly, like blatantly copying each other. So always try to come with a twist to what's already working. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just try to come with a fresh twist. The fact that in 1 year it did 24,000 sales says a lot. Now, let's look to see if it has any social media, to see if we can rule that out. No social media. So it's not like they're sending a ton of outside traffic. And guess what? 24,000 sales with only 61 listings, period. It is an outlier in the idea that you need a lot of listings to do really well. It's not always the case. If you have a lot of competition, yeah, you need a lot of listings to get the algorithm to recognize you and get data and get momentum and build off of that, yes. But oftentimes with a unique product that has a fresh twist, or maybe not even a fresh twist, just not as much competition, but a market, then stores like this blow up pretty quickly. And a lot of times people sit there and wonder why, but there are a lot of reasons why. So remember that. But also, do not go and compare yourself to every single store out there if you're not where you want to be and beat yourself up. That's not what you want to do. You don't want to be in that mental space. There are things that make these stores grow faster than yours that you can control. And then there are things that make these stores grow faster than yours that you can't control. And it's just how Etsy works. If you only have one Etsy store and you have a lot of time on your hand, try a second Etsy store. Sometimes second time's a charm, third time's a charm. And always be open to trying new things, whether it's in your existing store or in your next store, whatever it may be. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Check the description for all my helpful links. And in the meantime, I hope you have a beautiful day.